to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. All right, it is bright and early, a little past 8 a.m. off of busy 460 in Windsor, Virginia, and I have secured the two Frosties that have come out. The two blizzards that have come out for the month of December. Two blizzards a month, yes, twice as fun, and we are in a festive mood today. Why am I here in the morning? Well, this Dairy Queen is so special, they serve breakfast. So, we got them early. So we'll beat the crowd, right? We'll beat the crowd here. Most of the crowd. I'm sure a couple people have done reviews after seeing Chew Boom drop this announcement yesterday, but the website hasn't updated to show these two blizzards. So you got candy cane chill. It's candy cane pieces with chocolate chunks, and you've got sugar cookie, frosted sugar cookie, which is of course sugar cookie pieces and icing mixed into their soft serve. I do ask that you hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna go ahead and get into this review. Man, I'm having a hard time, ain't I? I want to even it out, but I'm having such a hard time moving both forward at the same time. All right, we're just gonna roll with that. Something's gonna come out of that. We're gonna have a thumbnail. So we're gonna start with frosted sugar cookie. I was gonna start with peppermint chill, candy cane chill, but frosted sugar cookie is the new one to the party. So it doesn't look very pretty, but there are some sprinkles in here, so try and find joy in it. It is quite sweet from that frosting, and it's almost like birthday cake meets sugar cookie. The sugar cookie pieces are nice and crunchy, and then the icing, I can taste it throughout all of the ice cream. It's sweet. It tastes like, it doesn't taste like buttercream. It tastes like yeah, it tastes like that icing you get at Walmart, Food Lion, on their cakes. So you can either get buttercream or more of a whipped icing. And it tastes like the whipped icing. Now, the whipped icing is still very sweet, and a very artificial sugary complexity to it. But yeah, I mean, it really nails that frosted sugar cookie flavor. You know, those frosted sugar cookies that you get from draw a blank, any store, the Loft House cookies. I think it's quite good, but it's very abundantly sweet. Very abundantly sweet. Very sweet. So I give it an 8 out of 10. I think it's very solid. I like the crunchy pieces to it. And then you've got that icing flavor, that frosting flavor throughout the whole ice cream, which is a very interesting dynamic. You know, with a lot of ice creams, you get the ice cream base and then you get some frosting swirls mixed in. No, this whole thing just embraces it, and I'm here for it. So, moving on to candy cane chill. Of course, I would show you the inside of frosted sugar cookie, but you can't see anything. It's all white for the most part, other than a few sprinkles. With candy cane chill, you can see some chocolate. So, look at all that candy cane goodness. Look at that. That'll wake you up. Crunchy. Flavorful. I definitely prefer candy cane, and I don't remember if I've had candy cane chill. I've had, you know, peppermint blizzards before, but I don't know if I've had this one. But what I will tell you is that if you love peppermint and you love chocolate, this is a good one. And I personally prefer this over sugar cookie, because sugar cookie is mostly very sweet sugar. This has peppermint, this has chocolate, and then you've got vanilla ice cream. So it's not so basic in a way. I absolutely love the mix-ins here. It's very simple and straightforward. And, you know, I hate to give things 10 consistently because I know I've done that a lot with a lot of Dairy Queen Blizzards. But this one simply has just enough chocolate, just enough peppermint, where I can so satisfyingly say I give it a 10. Now, if I continue eating this, will it stay the same all the way to the bottom? Probably not. But I think there's so much loaded up at the top that if you just stir it a bit, mix it through, like most people would, I guess, you know, it's still going to be consistently flavorful, chocolatey, and pepperminty, and crunchy. So for me, I give this the W. I give this a 10. But if you love sugar cookies, if you love iced sugar cookies, and you think that would be really well mixed with a Dairy Queen Blizzard, I think that's a good option too. So 2 very solid Blizzards. I mean, usually it's hard to diss on a Blizzard. Like, I rarely say a Blizzard's under a 6, just because they always do a pretty good job at these. And I mean, you know, they're not doing a new one every month. I would say they do like probably 15 different Blizzards in a year. So, you know, they're just adding different mix-ins to ice cream. So I think I went on a bit long, but that's it. That's my review. I hope you go try these out. Other than that, I will see y'all around.